Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Suzuki SX4. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.